Hello mga Hounders! Pabalik na naman tayo sa isang video na to. So today, magtitry tayo na famous American snacks. Common to, maraming Americans na nagtitry na ito. Nakikita ko ito sa YouTube palagi. So, unang anihan natin ay airheads and goldfish. First, we gonna try our airheads. Ayun yung tatry muna natin. Ay airheads. Tatry natin ito. Try natin ito airheads. Mahirap buksan ng mga packets na Americans. Yan, ito na. Nabukasan ko na. So, 5 bars. Assorted flavors. So, meron siyang watermelon, blueberry, ano ba ito? Tropical cherry explosion, white mystery, and cherry. Dito matanggal. Kung sabihin, bukas na to agad. Masali sa bottle. Ano nangyari? Oh, it's glued. Glued. Ay, joke lang. Obi. Okay. There's tropical cherry explosion. Ito yung mga flavors niya. Ito ang ating flavors ng airheads. Ito white mystery, di ko alam. Ayaw. Ito, kala ko lollipop naman. Let's try. Bago natin i-try. Naalala niyo yung video ko na ginawa ko sa Medyo Chocolate. Hindi ko na tuloy yung Medyo Chocolate kasi busy ako, so kinain ko na lang. Natutuwa ako. Wala, gusto ko lang chocolate. Wala. Yung score natin dun ay yung sa ano naman, yung maliliit parang beans na chocolate. Ayun, ay 10 out of 10. Siyempre, OG yun. Yung ano pa lang, parang triangle, 8 out of 10 yun. Okay, let's try. I don't like watermelon. That's my secret. So, let's try watermelon. Ooh, the packet's flying off. Here is the color. It smells very good. Now let's try it. Taste of disappointment. Nah, just kidding. It tastes like just normal candy. It tastes normal candy. It tastes like normal candy. Average. I'm gonna give a rating of nah. I'll just finish this and come back to you guys. Okay guys, I just finished the Airheads watermelon. By the way, it's my first time to try this American snack, so it's a bit mid. Napaka-mid nila. Itong rating nito, I give it 7.8 out of 10. So, is the last one. Goldfish. Iconic. This is iconic. We can't find, di namin mahanap yung cheddar flavor. So, yung original na lang ay nabili namin. Let's try. Opening niya. Try natin. So, open. Okay. Try natin ito . on. There we go. Ba't may glue? May ano na nga eh. May glue pa. Ano sabihin, may tape pa. Pero, wala siyang tape. Take a moment to smell these one-of-a-kind snacks. Come on, bro. Damn, it smells like fita. Ito mo, ano? Taste test. Ito, gusto ko natin ito makuha ng pinakabata pa ako. By the way, kahapon, ako ang aking kaaral, May 8. Kahapon na. So, ito, first time ko ito na-try. Diba, parang lasang pita. Ang sarap. Yeah, if I dip it in chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna get chocolate. Okay, here's our chocolate. Here's our goldfish. What about we dip them in this flippin' chocolate? This tastes good. I'm a this score over 10 out of 10. But this chocolate, there. Let me try that again. Let me try that again. Again. Okay, let me try that again. Oh, totally natin ulit. Yung fingers ko meron. Gawin natin parang sandwich. Wait! This is kinda good, bro. Let me try this. The combination, any chocolate, any peanut butter, jam is fire. Come on, this is fire, bro. No, we can't taste it without the chocolate. Yum! Woohoo! Man, bro! They're so good! This is the last one. Before we end the video and give this a score. My hands are covered with chocolate now. That's pretty amazing. I just scoop it. Oh, it's so weird. Joke lang, hindi. Kung natitaste nyo lang to, kabadip, pababay. Kainin nyo. Wow, serious man. Wait. Okay. So, ang rating na dito sa goldfish ay possibly 9.9 out of 10. Okay na naman siya. Kaya lang lasa siyang pita. Try nyo. Bumili kayo neto. Pagkumpira nyo. Wait, pita kahit ano. Basta, Hansen. Yung original. Yan, pita. Ito. Ito ko na, ito yung pita. Okay lang. Sarap. Original. Sarap. Ito ba? Goldfish. Original, by the way. Goldfish. Sarap. Pero, kung magkaparehos, kaparehas lang siya. Pero, ito ang American snacks natin. Okay lang naman sila. Good. Kung meron talagang cheddar dun. Ubusin na to. Ubus na agad to. In just one day. Lunch, dinner, breakfast. Kakainin ko to araw-araw. May cheddar. 5-second rule. Nasa table. Buti na. Isang goldfish na lang. Yung may ingredient area. Salt. Kung nakikita nyo, sana makita nyo, may salt, konting salt. Na pag nirab mo, may feel may salt. Diba, ito yung may salt. Ito yung may salt. Talagay ko sa dila ko. At, alat, alat. Pag nasa likod naman, walang salt, walang ganon. Lasang tinapay. Yun lang. So far, these American snacks have been mid. Very good for. So, ito ang video na ito. Na-reach na ang end niya. So, please consider subscribing. Bye!